Previously we discussed about what are the different types of nitrogenous waste present in the animal kingdom. Now we are going to see what are the different types of organs that is possessed by the organisms to eliminate these nitrogenous waste. Let me draw the diagram of the first type of cell which is involved in the elimination of waste material in case of platyhelminths. This is the diagram of a flame cell. Although it is not given in the NCERT as such, but it is interesting to see that the cell has its name because of its appearance, which looks like a flame. Now these cells are present in organisms of phylum Platyhelminths, the same phylum which includes your tapeworm, planaria, etc. There are certain microorganisms as well, such as rotifers. Even they possess these types of cell. They are mainly involved in maintaining the balance, ionic balance inside the body fluid. So this is the flame cell, and alternatively it is also known as protonephridia. Let me write it down, the examples in which these cells are present. It is the primary excretory organ of of phylum Platyhelminths, rotifers. Interestingly, this is also excretory organ present in a specific chordate, that is cephalochordata. The example is Amphioxus. So Amphioxus is an organism which is a chordate but still shows presence of protonephridia as the excretory organ. And as I mentioned already, these are involved in ionic regulation. Let's see another type of nitrogenous waste removing organ, that is nephridia. As compared to protonephridia, nephridia are little evolved. They are a tubular structure and they are primarily present in earthworm, that is phylum Annelida. Nephridia are numerous and they are associated with different organs. Mainly they are present in the skin or dermal region of the organism and involved in removal of nitrogenous waste. It also helps in maintaining the ionic balance. So now the next excretory part is Malpighian tubule. The Malpighian tubule is present in terrestrial organisms, to be very specific, terrestrial insects such as cockroaches, grasshoppers, etc. These are tubular structures that are lying or that are present at the junction of midgut and hindgut, that I will be drawing in a moment. The main function is to remove the uric acid, so they are involved in removal of uric acid and also help in osmoregulation of the body. So the organism shows three sections of the gut. The first is foregut, which starts from mouth and ends till stomach or crop. The blue color structure is midgut, which is equivalent to intestine of a huge organism such as mammals, and the white portion is hindgut, which is equivalent to colonic region of chordates. So at the junction of midgut and hindgut, the purple color structures, which has been drawn here right now, is malphizian tubules. Now, there is another type of gland present in aquatic crustaceans. These glands are just beside or just below, they are present a structure called as antenna. Since they are present below antenna, they are also referred as antennal gland. Let me complete the diagram. As you can see, I'm just trying to make the anterior portion of a prawn. The purple color structures are antennae, and the green colored structure that I'm making, it's a small tubular with a small bladder like structure. Let me zoom that bladder like structure. There will be a small tube present, and this tube is connected with a utricle which is responsible to receive and filter all the salts and collect it into the bladder. And when there is a suitable environment, it starts dumping all the excess amount of salt ingested by the organism. So this complete structure is referred as antennal gland. So what is antennal gland? Antennal gland is basically a structure, additional structure present in aquatic crustaceans with respect to excretion, and they are mainly involved in excretion of excess amount of salts. What are examples? Examples are prawn, lobster, etc. Hope this is clear. Let me write that the location, it is present below antenna.